I'ma start this shit so good. Niggas already know, man. Niggas from the fucking hood. I wish a nigga run up on me, he gon' get shot in his head. Niggas already know I do the front up on a fucking beat. I get money instead. I just gon' catch some head from my yellow bone bitch. Met her at the gas station, hit her the first night. Rolled up on my bike, ride up the heights, weighing off the bikes.
Bitch.
Niggas don't wanna fight. Clip straight this bike. Back on my bullshit, her pussy feeling tight. Bitch, snitch. Right to them feds, like my man Tino hop up on the beat and kill that shit.
The niggas don't want no problems, nigga. Cause we shooting out them big ass revolvers, nigga. Shout out to my motherfucking father, nigga. I'm a baller, nigga. But I ain't gon' call her, nigga. I'm just gon' text her. Then I'm gon' sex her. Speed off in that Lexus. Asking what's next, bitch. I'm gon' take all these bricks. In that door, I'ma kick. I ain't never been no bitch. All these niggas ain't with the shit. Man, we empty clips. Niggas talking shit. But we be kicking doors. Cause we bout the bricks. All my niggas coming through the doors with them 4-4s. Guns so long, bigger than your little bull. Pussy nigga, you ain't bout that damn raw. We got them fucking guns that you never saw. Coming out that game, nigga. Aiming at your brain, nigga. I ain't never been no lame, nigga. Shoot niggas out the frame, nigga. I'm on my dang, nigga. My girl, she the thing, nigga. Talking about she want strip, I told her go and get it, nigga.
Niggas ain't fucking with it. Tones on one fucking split it. The strip fucking get it. If you playboy, niggas ain't fucking with it. All I do is murder. All he do is murder. Niggas already know I am a soldier. Thought I already told you. Pull up in that rover. And I'm looking high. Why you looking so okay? About to go on and break down at the fucking track. If a nigga say shit, I'm all leave hoes in his back. And hoes in his neck. In his Cadillac.
Damn.
White walls, tall car, speed, cash off.
Skirt.
Faking, bitch, snitch.